reaction to the pineapple wine since you haven't tried it yet.
That's really good.
Stella Rosa can do no wrong. Happy Sunday, everybody. Welcome back for some of you. My name's Anthony, and I'm going through every dish mentioned in The Sopranos. Now, we finally have finished. Y'all distracted me.
Sure.
And now we finally all being cutesy and new engaged couple like. I am filmed in front of a live studio. I am filmed in front of a live studio audience, which consists of Cameron and his new fiance, Margaret. We're toasting that with some great Stella Rosa pineapple by the Riboli family because it's so tasty and delicious. I'm going through every dish mentioned in the show, every dish in the Soprano family cookbook, and every dish in Entertaining With The Sopranos by Carmela Soprano. The episode's called Down Neck. It's a reference to the part of Newark that Tony Soprano grew up in. So let's get started on the episode.
Here, take a swing. And don't backwash. Shit, don't break it. Quick, it's almost time for the nun's rosary. This is 8th grade history, man. Stealing the sacramental wine? It's not sacramental until they bless it, moron. All clear. Are you gonna confess this? I'm gonna tell my soul something. Not what?
We're gonna pause on the wine. We'll come back to that later. But let's keep going to the next scene.
Hey, how's the boy?
How am I? I got dust up the crack of my ass and I'm starving to death.
And then there's coffee, which, you know, every other drink is coffee. All right, next scene.
It's a crime to suspend that child from school with all the money you give them.
I bet that gym teacher shit a brick when your little friend puked on his boots, huh, Anthony?
Want to encourage him, Uncle Joe?
Okay, so family dinner, so Sunday night dinner at the Soprano house. And yeah, they're passing around spaghetti and meatballs. I already did the meatball episode. I'll put the link in the description. It's one of my favorite episodes. But if you see in the middle of the table, there's a big old salad. So I can't identify what kind of salad, but since the whole family's gathered, I'm gonna take one of the salads out of the come to my home section of Entertaining With The Sopranos. So we're doing arugula and mushroom salad. So first step, take 2 big bunches of arugula, tear it up into small pieces. It should give you about 6 cups. What am I, oh. This thing takes like 4 seconds to do. What am I doing? Okay. So, what am I doing, Margaret? I forgot.
I'm in tune. I'm paying attention. You know.
All right. Oh, right.
I'm there
Okay.
with you in the moment.
Oh man, we're all just so happy that they're engaged that I am not even thinking. Okay. So here's the ingredients to arugula and mushroom salad. Arugula and mushrooms. Oh, and then some more stuff for the dressing. Olive oil, lemon juice, and your favorite kind of mustard, which, if you're a fan of my show, you know, for me, is none. But my next recipe involves Dijon mustard, so I was like, well, if I'm already buying it, I might as well use it on this. Salt and pepper. So, the instructions say in a jar. I'm gonna use the kind with the screw on top because I know my luck, and if I use the pop kind, that's gonna come off mid-shake. Olive oil and lemon juice. Obviously did not mix. And then the mustard. I still smell the clams on these things. Ugh. By the way, tune in is it next week? I've lost track of the weeks. If you haven't yet, subscribe, and then you'll get to see me doing clams and oysters, which, by the way, fun fact, I don't like seafood. Some salt and pepper. The book says fresh salt and pepper. It's overrated. Book's being fancy. I do not want this like spilling everywhere. All right, here we go. Hand emulsification. Go into martini mode. Okay, so that's our Insta dressing. Bit of arugula, bit of mushroom, arugula, mushroom, arugula, mushroom. Get your hands all up in here after you've washed them. Don't be that nasty person that gives your whole family E. coli. Ooh. The smell I was picking up was definitely the mustard. All right, and here we go. That was it. Sometimes I don't like the easy recipes because it's like, how am I making a whole show out of this? But there it is. Just toss it together, put the dressing on it. And I'm not a fan of mustard, but I try everything on my show.
I like them raw, I like them cooked.
All right, so essentially the salad is from Margaret.
Yeah.
Try to make it into a little heart shape then. That's not working. All right, I'm just gonna, all right, let me get one of these nasty funguses on my fork. That's the mushroom with Dijon. Okay. You know what? The lemon juice and the olive oil really compensates. And these white mushrooms aren't too bad, actually. Arugula actually happens to be one of the leafy greens that I really like, so we tumbling over. So between the fact that I like arugula and olive oil and lemon juice, the mushroom and mustard is over. It balances. All things perfectly balanced. Thanos would be happy with this salad. But here you go, Marty.
Right. I'll eat it.
All right, that was it for this week. Super easy, super simple. But, ooh, I think next week is the pork one.
You're adding your blooper, right?
Yeah, I'll probably even, you know what? I don't usually add in, well, my whole show is a blooper, so I don't usually add bloopers. But I have a, after the camera was off blooper that I'll probably throw in. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, either with the little bubble that's gonna appear right here, or with the word subscribe down below. My social media should already be scrolling down at the bottom. Hit me up, let me know how your salad turns out. Until next week, manja.